Hey there, financial wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and money matters to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PayPal Credit to your bank account in 2025. If you've got PayPal Credit and want to move that cash quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but let's go through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. First off, make sure you have a few things ready: a verified PayPal account, your PayPal Credit linked, and a bank account connected to PayPal. If you haven't linked your bank yet, head to your PayPal settings and add it. It's super simple and usually takes just a few minutes. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section, where you'll see your balances, including PayPal Credit. Step 2. Select your PayPal Credit balance. You'll find an option to transfer funds, or something similar. Look for the button that says Transfer to Bank. Click on that, and it will prompt you to choose the amount you want to move. Remember, there might be limits based on your account status, so double check that. Step 3. Enter the amount and confirm the details. PayPal will show you any potential fees. Keep an eye out, as these can vary. Then, review everything to make sure it's accurate and hit Confirm Transfer. Step 4. Wait for the processing. In 2025, transfers are often instant or take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. You'll get an email confirmation from PayPal once it's done. A quick tip: always check for any promotions or faster transfer options PayPal might offer. And if you run into issues, PayPal's support is top-notch. Just reach out through their app. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring from PayPal Credit to your bank. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.